Good morning, guys. Excuse me. Welcome back to my English comprehension exercise. Today, you guys caught me eating breakfast this morning. Today, I want to ask you, are these English words you can eat? Look at this. I have toast. Yummy. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs, they're so delicious. I have bacon. I love bacon. We have some chopped oranges here, some oranges. Oranges. I have cafe. Guys, you know I love coffee. You know I love coffee. Coffee with cream and sugar. Cappuccino. Delicious. Oh, and let's not forget orange juice, guys. Orange juice is very good for your health. Vitamin C. And I love fried bananas. Fried bananas in the morning. So good, so good. So listen, guys, continue to watch the videos. Practice what you learn in English. That's the key to understanding the English language, is practice. Please like my page, guys, and hit that subscribe button down there for me if you have not already done so. And as I always say, it would be greatly appreciated. So I'll see you again until the next English exercise. Ciao. Bon dia. Good morning.